Right, what can one say to you that you don't already know? The silver wheels fitted, they're 175s. They're a bit narrower, so I'm hoping these ones will go on the front. So she does roll now. Well, it did. I just left a bloody jack down your that git. So yeah. She did have new calipers, new drums. She had everything new, but it's been stood here for quite a while again. I'm hoping this fits on here. And then when we have a chance. The one I fit on it. Hey, away, mouse face. What do you want? You've been pissing in the air, what? Stinks. Is that you? I'm only gonna ask for the camera anyway, fuck off. That feels pretty good to me. Believe it or not, I think this is quite an easy job here. This one, it's quite easy, it's pretty straight. We'll get the engine up and running, and then we've got to shift it out here somewhere. That's the hard bit. There's always an hard bit. We'll take these and have tyres put on it, because they are supposed to be Ross style wheels. This one's been stood here for about 6 years, I should think. I bought her off a bloke. She said if it wasn't shifted in a set amount of time, she'd have it scrapped. So you let me have it. I've done 2 midgets and 10 GTs. I kept that one because it was tax exempt. I don't know why I kept this one. I don't know why I kept this one. glory. Hallelujah. Right. I'll be back. Wheels are getting heavier. If you've never done a classic before, I can't wait to see the comments, because the comments are going to be absolutely panicking. But believe me, they're quite easy to work. Especially under the bonnet. This is a chrome bumper, which is here somewhere. There's a pile and pile of brand new stuff for this car. Piles of it. We bought all of it. Ready. Liners. The roof is new, believe it or not. I can do a little cleaning and an oiling, I think. Whew. I'm telling you, it's time for some knee pads. Right, all I gotta wish for is this thing moves. If it moves, I can slowly but gradually get it around the other side of these vans. And get it on a low loader and get it over the works. And don't do that when you've got your phone in your pocket. Does it move? Fucker. Let's investigate. Stay, Fido. Stay there. Good boy. I gotta get it out of there, around there, through there, and out onto there. Out onto there.
towards you.
Top towards you. Straighten them out again.
So as it was?
Top towards you. Well, as soon as it gets past there, start turning. Turn them out now. Okay. Two out here. What? I'm driving.
Back corner on that wall, you see where it's at.
No, I want to full up for now. Well, I wasn't expecting to do that much, but I did. Look at the sweat running off me.